this video, I will teach you how to turn a flat vector logo into a 3D fur logo. So stay connected till the end. Open your browser and type ChatGPT. Then click on the first link. Then upload your image. Paste your prompt. I have mentioned this prompt in the description. You can copy from there if you want to use the same one. And hit generate. It will take a little time. It turned out so good. You can also download the image from here. I also created these images before. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.